parents. My name is Natasha Birch-Mohan, President of the Birch Group of Companies. Proud to announce to you, backed by popular demand, the Birch Group of Companies Financial Literacy Summer Camp for Children in August. Save the date. Follow us on social media at #Tbgoc, #Changing Lives. As always, the Birch Group of Companies is the home of all of your financial needs.
Tbgoc Kids is a fun, interactive day with activities, learning, lunch, and snacks. It's time to teach our children a healthy mindset around saving, investing, budgeting, banking, and so much more. Check out the screen and give us a call to register today.